Today we talk about how can you enable show missed calls notifications on your Eyecon app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings, just click on it here. So when you just click here on settings, then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to show missed calls notifications. Just click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. So then you come here to then like you see me now show message calls notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.